What's up guys, we're back with the latest tech news. So it's been months since Samsung has announced their 200 megapixel sensor officially. The ISOCELL HP1, which brings the next big jump of megapixels, which we still have yet to see on a Samsung smartphone flagship. It is expected for the Galaxy S73 Ultra next year, but other brands wants a piece of this sensor right now. And well, after months of waiting, the Samsung ISOCELL HP1 200 megapixel sensor will make its debut on the Motorola Frontier 2022. Yes, Motorola's brand new flagship smartphone for 2022 is completely leaked. We have the full design as well as full specs. This is the most megapixel packed smartphone of 2022 right now. The main camera is set to have the 200 megapixel HP1 sensor from Samsung with optical image stabilization. The ultra wide sensor is set to be 50 megapixel from Sony. Then there's a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and finally we have a whopping 60 megapixel selfie sensor. In terms of the design, you can see that Motorola definitely acquired that rumored Galaxy S22 design from the early concepts. We've got that big circular design for the 200 megapixel sensor. Now, other than the camera, the specs are looking pretty impressive. We have a HDR OLED 144Hz refresh rate display, 4500 mAh battery, and then Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 running the show. This phone is also expected to have up to 125 watt wired charging and wireless charging up to 50 watts. Honestly, this flagship phone is looking pretty damn exciting, and as for its release date, it might happen in July of this year. I'm really looking forward to see this 200 megapixel sensor in action in real life, because eventually this high megapixel count will come to the S23 Ultra. Also in the news, we could see another Ultra phone this year. According to recent rumors, OnePlus 10 Ultra might debut in late 2022. With the Ultra in name, you can tell that OnePlus will go all out. We don't know about the specs or any concrete information about this phone right now, but it seems to at least pack a periscope zoom camera setup, plus a new in-house NPU for full camera control developed by Oppo. With this OnePlus 10 Ultra, OnePlus is looking forward to truly rival the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, what comes after the Galaxy S22 series? Well, it's the Galaxy A series. We have some news regarding that. The A73 and A53 both are rumored to come out in March of 2022. Samsung will go back to back to have a big impact on the market. We actually have a pretty crucial news regarding the chipset situation of the Galaxy A53. Previously, we heard that Samsung will be using both Exynos and Snapdragon chips for the A53 in different regions, but now it seems like Samsung might exclusively go with their in-house Exynos 1200 chip. It's an unannounced Exynos chip that should be able to do pretty much everything that you want to do on a mid-range phone without any issue. Again, we have yet to see any details, any launch. The only processor that Samsung has officially announced in 2022 is the Exynos 2200, which is coming with the Galaxy S22 series. So that's all the latest news. Finally, the 200 megapixel sensor from Samsung is coming with the Motorola Frontier 2022 flagship smartphone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.